Well, hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, I don't know if you recognize this little car behind me, but he set me up first. He sabotaged me from the get-go. Now he's coming to rectify, or whatever you want to say, his actions. So you guys saw I got his bar stuck up in the tree when I was trying to notch it out. But lo and behold, he thinks he may not have tightened those two nuts on the side of the chainsaw. So when I was cutting it, it just blew apart on me. Like it fell, chain went flying, bar got stuck. It was a bad deal. But we got it.
Like, how in the world did he get that stuck?
Yeah, well, it was this way, and I tried to pry it up and see if it'd come out. So it's literally straight up right now. But we got Derek from Stoke Living out here. We're gonna try to get that out and do that last cut today, and then it'll be completely ready to be inspected again. So we'll see you guys over at the pen. Think you can get that out of there?
I don't know. You got yourself a mess.
Man, you did it.
I was never really scared of heights or anything like that. But the other day, if you guys go back and watch Bo's video, I got in there, I was kind of waiting on Bo, and stuff, and I was like, let me just get up, I'll do it, And I got in there, and I got up probably about this high.
It was windy about like this.
And I thought, Derek, you done screwed up,
And then you had to go all the way up there.
And Sean, he's back there heckling at me. He said, what's wrong? I said, I'm scared.
It's easy to heckle when you're down on the ground.
Yeah. All right.
So we're going to try to drive that wedge in there on each side of that bar, maybe, or on one side. Don't know what he has planned, and just pry it back just a little. Just like that.
Like that guy, that one does them life hacks, whatever.
Oh yeah, they just go. Hey, you gotta go like this.
Yeah.
Next. Derek promises. You cut that tree right there. He said, you cut it right there. He said, it's gonna fall right here. No doubt in his mind. That's what you said, right?
That's right. That's a guarantee.
All right, well, let's do it. I can hear the wheels are turning. Look, lizard.
What is it?
Lizard. Lizard.
Oh.
On that white spot.
Hey, tipping already?
See it?
Oh, good.
Right down that white spot. Where that coming out.
Why is it not tipping? Otherwise, my gas would be off.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's not off. It's kind of that fuzzy, man.
Alrighty. Is it gonna hit the fence or not? Drop in the comments, let us know if that wedge was sufficient. Here we go, folks. Maybe you'll gain a subscriber.
Yeah, if I get 1 subscriber out of it, it's worth it. So if you're that one that's not subscribed, you made it for me. You made my day.
How is it still holding?
Huh?
How is it still holding?
I don't know.
It's like cut all the way through.
Well, kind of.
You got one little spot, but it should fall.
If the weight is right.
That means it wants to fall this way.
Yeah.
That's not good. I mean, if it would fall right here, it would be all right. Yeah, toward the chicken coop.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest?
Hire a new arborist.
Yeah, this one kind of stinks. What we got going on?
I guess I got it deep enough on that side of the road.
Oh, it's popping. Dang.
I thought it was getting ready to go.
I thought it was too.
Go!
What are you running for?
Scared. Well, every time I come over here with you, I get scared.
Hey, bad news is that thing was coming straight to the side.
Which way?
It came straight over to the side,
Like towards me?
like toward the the gate. Might be able to drive that here.
All right, guys. I make a way better filmer than an arborist. I'm a little shaky, sorry. It's a left-handed hammer. Bo thinks it's going to fall on the gate. I think it's going to fall on the trailer.
I hope you're right.
You'd rather have the trailer than the gate? Yeah. Oh gosh. Hi, that's where I told you it was going to fall.
Oh,
That's where I told you it was going to go.
money. That couldn't have been any better. Sorry, chickens. That couldn't have been any better.
Yeah,
I mean, it missed the fence by poof.
my math was perfect.
Perfect.
Yep.
Hey, big shout out to Derick, Stoke Living.
Yeah, Mr. Mays, my math teacher.
If you need a tree guy, call him up.
No,
If
no.
some cool videos to watch, go to
Yeah.
Stoke Living iCard up here and tell him thanks. So, I mean, perfect. Look at this. I'm talking, it didn't miss the fence by much. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. A little sketchy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the two times I've been here, they get a little sketched out.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm just getting old.
That happens like that around the homestead. What, you need me to move that stick?
You guys, he won't be able to get out.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, well it's been a couple of days since I've grabbed the old phone out and videoed. You can see the slip and slide is out from Huddy's party. They had a great time sliding on that thing. I'm headed out here now. I'm gonna check the garden. Guys, look at the okra. Lindy got some off the other day and sent me pictures at work and I was super jealous. So I'm gonna see what's out here real quick. We didn't think there was anything, and then Hallie's like, Mom, look at this. And they were, I mean, huge okras already. So we're gonna go through here. I think Lindy's coming out here in a minute. And we're gonna make sure none go to waste by getting too big. So, oh, yeah, look right here. That's a good one to be picked. And look, this plant really isn't that tall, but it's producing good sized okra already. So that's pretty cool. Now this is the okra that was on our plants last year. You remember we let a couple plants go and then we collected the okra off of it at the end of the summer, let it dry out, and then we reused those seeds so we didn't have to buy new okra seeds this year. So that's where we got our seeds from. It's a really, really good thing. Oh, whoo, man, look at these watermelons. They're coming over into the okra. I don't think we gave it enough room. And the lettuce is gone. The deer have, it's gone, like done. So that's a bummer. Look at that little guy got going on there. It's another, oh, I got two of them right there. Ooh, that's a pretty good sized one already. Yeah. This just started happening overnight. There's a good one right there. I think that's the biggest one though, but we're gonna walk through here and see if we can find a bigger one. Man, these vines look good. Nice and healthy. Let's see what we got in here. I don't see any on this one though. There's a little one right there. I think that one's gonna win down there. Jalapenos are doing good. Bell peppers are doing good. Hey, what are you doing?
This Cherokee purple.
What?
Cherokee purple.
Cherokee purple.
Pretty.
Yeah. What do you got, buddy?
A tomato.
A tomato. Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah. Yeah.
How old are you now? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you have a good birthday? Tell everybody what you got.
What?
Hey, come here. What did you get for your birthday?
Maybe a fire truck.
A fire truck?
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
No, fire truck.
Huh?
Fireman.
You want to be a fireman when you grow up? Gonna put out fires? Wee, wee, wee. Are you awake? Yeah?
Let me have the terrier.
There's a watermelon. Huddy, look.
Huddy,
Look.
that's your watermelon plant you planted.
There's a watermelon. Look at it. It's a baby.
Huddy, what do you think about that? Is that cool? That's your watermelon plant.
Isn't it cute?
Look at another one.
Let's look at another one. Yeah, Huddy planted these ones, and look, right there.
Oh, this is a good one. Ooh.
Oh, Huddy, look at that.
And there's one right here.
That's so cool.
And one right here.
Huddy, your plant's loaded.
Man, it's better than mine.
There's a little bitty baby one right there and right there. Good job.
Exciting.
Good job, buddy. Give me fives.
Alexa.
Alrighty, guys. Well, big shout out, big thanks to Derick at Stoke Living. You guys saw he fell that tree in the perfect spot. Could not have been better. I did get a hold of the inspector, and he told me originally it was going to be, he said, I'll be back in 60 days. Well, I sent him a picture of the tree, and he said, and I asked if I still needed to wait the 60 days. He said, no, contact me next week. So, yeah, maybe we'll get our license. Maybe we'll pass inspection. So, be looking for that. If that happens, be looking for a bunch of deer videos. So, hope you guys are ready for that. We're super excited. Once again, big shout out to Derick, Stoke Living. Put an iCard up here. Go check him out. Tell him thanks again. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.